Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft Preview or Beta for Android, iOS, or even Windows. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, for Windows or computers, just go head over to Minecraft Bedrock right here from your launcher, and then instead of latest release, click on the drop down, and then click on latest preview. Or go to installations right here. You'll be able to see Bedrock Edition Preview installations. Just click on install and install. After that, go ahead on play and you're good to go. Now for phones, it will be a bit different. All right, just go ahead over to your Play Store or App Store and then find Minecraft. And make sure, of course, that you bought the Minecraft version for your phone. Now, instead of play, okay, you're going to want to uninstall the game. Uninstall. Okay, if you have it installed, of course. Go back. Tap on Minecraft again, scroll all the way down and find the join the beta section at the very bottom. Okay, so as you can see, you're trying new features before they're officially released. So just tap on join. It says here, because features are in development, beta versions may be unstable. Just click on join. Now once that's done, just go ahead and go back, tap on it again so that it will now say Minecraft beta. All right, now you can go ahead and tap on install. And once that's done, you should be good to go. Now, if you want to leave the beta or preview, just go ahead and scroll all the way down once more and just leave right here. All right, leave. Now you can go ahead and go back, and here we have it. It doesn't have beta anymore. So you can just go ahead and install the regular Minecraft. That is it. That's how simple it is to download Minecraft Preview or Beta for all devices. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.